Ever wonder how the rich and famous manage their money? Do they have a secret vault stuffed with cash or a team of accountants whispering financial jargon in their ear? Well, maybe for some, but a lot of it boils down to good habits and the right tools. That's where budgeting apps come in. They're like personal trainers for your finances, helping you track your spending, set goals, and avoid ending the month wondering where all your money went. Today, we're diving deep into one such app, Snoop. Now, before you get all excited about dropping rhymes with the D-O-double-G himself, this Snoop is all about getting you financially smooth. But the real question is, how much does it cost to use this app, and is it worth your hard-earned cash? Let's break it down. Freestyling for free, the basic features of Snoop. The good news is, Snoop offers a free version that's like a basic gym membership for your finances. You can connect your bank accounts and credit cards, giving you a one-stop shop to see all your money in one place. Daily balance updates keep you informed, and you can even set reminders for upcoming payments. But here's the thing, just like a free gym membership might not have all the fancy equipment, the free version of Snoop has limitations. You can see your spending categorized, but you can't customize those categories for a more personalized breakdown. You also get a taste of Snoop's bill comparison feature, which helps you find better deals, but on the free plan, it's like a limited time offer. Level up, upgrading to Snoop Plus. This is where Snoop Plus comes in. Think of it as the VIP section of the financial gym. For a monthly fee, you unlock a whole range of extra features. We're talking in-depth net worth tracking, so you can see your overall financial progress. Plus lets you see your spending patterns over time, like how much you typically blow on pizza deliveries between paychecks. No judgment here. Here's the real kicker: unlimited spending alerts, refund alerts, and spending reports. Imagine this, you set a budget for groceries, and Snoop buzzes you the second you're about to exceed it. No more nasty surprises at the checkout line. Plus, you can create custom spending categories to track that shoe addiction or that vinyl collection you keep telling yourself is an investment. So, how much does Snoop cost? All right, the moment you've been waiting for. The Snoop Plus subscription comes in at £4.99 a month, or you can snag a discount by paying annually for £39.99. That's a pretty reasonable price compared to other budgeting apps, especially considering the features you unlock. Is Snoop the right app for you? Here's the deal. If you're just starting out with budgeting and want a simple way to track your spending, the free version of Snoop is a great option. But if you're serious about taking control of your finances and want some serious tools to help you reach your goals, Snoop Plus might be worth the upgrade. Ultimately, the decision is yours. But with Snoop in your pocket, well, technically on your phone, you'll be on your way to financial finesse, no fancy rhymes required. With that said, thanks for watching, and until